So we're back again for experiment number 15, and experiment 15 talks about SR, JK, and D flip-flops. And its objective is to demonstrate the basic function of SR, or set and reset, JK and DG flip-flop of logic circuits. So here are the materials we needed. We need a 5 volts of power supply, breadboard experimenter, just like this, one piece of 74 LSOO IC or our NAND gate, then one piece also of 74 LSO8 and IC, then some hookup wires, solid wires. Now let's talk about how this works. So the set reset flip-flop are commonly known as the SR flip-flop. That output states are meant for complementary. The term set and reset represented by 1s and 0. Meanwhile, when both inputs are logic 1, the output is unpredictable or indeterminate. So let's try from our documentation the example circuit. So now it's done. When the all switches in state of 0 or low, and LED 4 light up. And as we see, when we set D1 high, also D3, LED 3 is in state of high. When we set when we reset it, LED 2 will be high, and if we set it again, and LED 3 will be on. Reset, then set, reset, then set. So that is how the principle of set and reset works in using the NAND gate. Thank you.